Zoho Mail tutorial, how to use Zoho Mail as a beginner. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Zoho Mail, how you can use Zoho Mail to create your own mails, to create tasks and keep track of all of the different emails that you get with a professional email address. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will create an account on Zoho Mail. Now creating an account is really easy. If you already have an account on Zoho, then you will be able to access Zoho Mail with that account, or you can create a brand new account with your email address or your Google account. So once you get to Zoho Mail, this is where you will get. Now let me show you how we can use Zoho Mail as a complete beginner. So this is what you will be seeing. This is our inbox on Zoho, and you can see we have new mail option, and then we have streams, then we have folders such as inbox, templates, drafts, and others. We can also create tags, and then we have views such as unread, all messages, and flags. So this is pretty normal how we use our Gmail. And then we have different options here. Now this is where it gets interesting. We have our own calendar within our Zoho Mail. Then we have task feature where we can create our own task. We have notes, contact list, and bookmarks. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you to contact first and add some of the contacts to my Zoho Mail. We can import a contact list, or what we can do is we can create a brand new contact as well. So I'm going to click on new contact, and now we just have to enter a name. You can also enter an email address and add more than one email address. You can also enter a phone number or add more than one email address. I'm going to click on save, and a new contact will be added right here. You will also be seeing these different tools given here. So what are these tools? You can see this is a toggle widget. This is a Zoho desk, Zoho CRM. So these are different platforms by Zoho that I can access and I can integrate with my Zoho Mail. Because Zoho has CRM, it has a customer support, a customer service platform, and we also have Zoho CRM. So we can access them with our email address that we have on Zoho. So this is like for more into Zoho Mail, that if you want to get into it, but right here we have add reminder option, add sticky notes, and then we also have a dark feature if I want to go with. So I'm gonna go with a night mode because I prefer it, so we can just switch to that mode. Okay, it looks perfect now. We have added a contact. Now I'll take you to mail right here and create a new mail. So I'm gonna click on new mail. So this is where we create a mail on Zoho. Okay, or we can just switch to a light mode so that you can see it clearly. This is my mail right here. I'm gonna send it to, and into what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna search for the contact that we just added, and I'm gonna click on insert. Now we have an email address. Moving on, we can of course send it to more people. Subject line, so let's go ahead and call it test email, and now I can just type in whatever I want to type on my Zoho Mail. We can also insert and attach any kind of file, image, or video. I can also add from work drive. We can make our text bold, italic. So this is really interesting, the options that we get. And I can also change the font for my email. So this is really nice. Let's actually go ahead and type few of the text so that I can show you. You can see we have a font, and I can just change the font to whatever font I want. We have a text size as well, and I can change the size for my text. Then we have alignment. We have other things as well, such as creating a points, and we can customize and edit our spacing, everything. So writing a mail within a Zoho Mail is actually pretty impressive, and we get a lot of different options, more options than we are getting on our simple Gmail. So this is actually pretty good for our business if we want to create more professional emails. So we have right here the email. Once you're done, now we can of course schedule our email as well. We can add reminders, or we can also share our draft with someone. So this is also a pretty interesting option. You can share your draft with someone to actually maybe if you want to proofread your email or something like that, so we can do that as well. Once you're done with your email, you can just click on send, and your email will be sent to them. This is how you will be sending emails. So now I can check my drafts and my inbox to check any emails that I'm getting. Then we have calendar option right here. So calendar allows me to check and add and schedule my new events. So this is like having a Google Calendar within your Zoho Mail. So we're getting like a calendar. I can create a new event. So to create an event, you just click on new event and you give it a name. I'm gonna call it test. We have to select the date and time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select tomorrow from 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. Okay. We can add other team members as well. Then we have location. So I can enter any location I want. Then we have add conference. So I'm going to do that on Zoho meeting. We can also make it private. We can enter a URL for our website. Then we have our reminder, which is 15 minutes before our meeting. And this is where I will be adding the description and adding an attachment. Click on save and a new event will be created on Zoho Mail. So you will be able to see it right here now. You can see this is what I have created. Moving on, we have task option. So task is like creating notes within your Zoho or any task you want. So Zoho Mail is not just about sending email. It's about also managing your task, creating events, creating notes, and actually managing your business. So this is where I can create a new task. Click on new task right here. And then you will enter your task title. So again, I'm just going to call it test. You can actually select that what kind of task it's going to be. If it's a personal task, if it's going to be an agenda view created by me, like, for different views. So I'm going to select personal task. And then we have a company name and reminder as well. So I'm going to set a reminder for my task with a notification. And this is what it will be. I'm going to click on OK and add reminder, and then we can add a description for the task as well, that what you're going to do with the task. For example, I have a meeting, or I have to maybe add a workout routine for myself, so I can just enter here and then add description. We can also create subtasks right here and mention our assignees. Click on save and a new task will be created right here on our Zoho Mail. So this is how you can create different tasks and manage them. Moving on, we have notes. So notes is quite similar to creating different tasks, but it's going to be like more like creating personal notes on a notepad. So you can give your note any name and type in whatever you want to do. Click on add and a note will be created. Then we have contact, the one that I showed you, and then we have bookmarks. So these are the different options we get on Zoho Mail, and it's a professional email that we get right here on Zoho that allows us to send emails, schedule email, create professional email template, create tasks, and create and manage our different events, create notes, add different contact lists, import lists, to actually help us get all of the different tools in just one application, which is Zoho Mail. And I personally really like Zoho Mail because it gives me all the features and it meets my ultimate business needs. That being said, it brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below. Turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.